चली कॉलेज को, आँखियों में वाटर दे गई दुआ बची।
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another video. I really hope that you guys are doing good, having an amazing day. I'm Dhani, and if you're new here, then please do consider subscribing. Welcome to the episode 3 of the college move out series. I feel I should fix my mic first. Okay, yeah, done. Today is the 7th of July and I just have today and tomorrow at home because I'm leaving on the 9th of July. This video is something that's gonna be super special to my heart because I just have clips from the past few days and actually the last week, which apparently was my last week here at home before I leave for my college. And it's been such a wholesome week for me. I've had so many gatherings with friends, with family. I've had the best of my time and I really wanted to document it and save it so that whenever I see it in future, I always get a flashback of the good times that I've had here with my people. So definitely this vlog is going to be something that's super close to my heart and also something that's super fun and filling, and I really hope that you guys will enjoy watching it. Talking about today, I just got out of the shower. I didn't really sleep well last night for some reason, I don't know, but leaving that aside, I have to go to the post office today. I have some work there and then I've also got a few other plans, so that's gonna happen today. But right now we are gonna be starting off by making my memory box. Just for a little context, I'm talking about a box that has a lot of my stuffs from school, and I actually made out this shorts last month, I feel, when I showed you guys that what's all inside and everything, and then that was the part 1. And my life has been so super chaotic, so super busy that I really didn't get the time to make the part 2 of that, wherein I would actually be decorating that box and doing all that stuff. मैंने सारी चीज़ें already ले रखी है, but I didn't get the time at all कि मैं बैठ करके उसको actually मैं बनाऊँ. So that's gonna happen today because I feel if I leave, there's no chance that that's gonna happen. So we are just gonna be completing that. I'll also be making the part 2 along. Also, I'll be sharing it to you guys just in case if I haven't watched that shorts. So yeah, I'm just thinking that I'll be sitting to do that, and then I also have to clear out my desk. Like there are a few things that are still there and वो सारी चीज़ें भी I have to keep and pack. Most of my packing is done, like clothes and all the extra stuffs that I had. All of them are packed. I just have a few things of like daily use that I'll be packing tomorrow. Like that last minute packing is gonna be happening tomorrow. Other than that, everything is done and dusted. It was just so chaotic. Like last night, I literally woke up till 4 to complete that, but I'm so happy that it's finally done. It's a very tedious, tiring process, I tell you. It felt like I'm packing my whole entire life, and which was not an easy task, but somehow it just got done, so that was a great success. Okay, so right now it's like 2 PM and right now I'm thinking that I'll be sitting down to make that memory box, and then at around 3 I feel we'll be leaving to get done with bahar ka kaam. So that's the plan. Let's get started. The mirror is a bit dirty, but it's manageable. I'm right now going out to get the works that I have done. I don't have many bags because I've already packed them, so I'm going to be taking this one. This is pretty. So let's have a look. What does this say? It says college chance. Let's go. I'm here outside the post office, like quite literally, and I feel आज काम नहीं हो पाएगा because post office 4 बजे बंद हो जाती है. Somebody just walked in. तो मैं कह रही थी that हाँ post office 4 o'clock बंद हो जाती है and बैंक के काम में कुछ ज़्यादा ही टाइम लग गया. So this cannot happen today and I really don't know कि ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे को सर पे. But हाँ, ignoring that anyway. So I'll have to come tomorrow again to this place to get that work done. एंड मेरे को बिल्कुल भी कल कहीं बाहर आने का मन नहीं था बिकॉज आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू स्पेंड माई टाइम एट होम, लाइक माई प्रिटी लवली वन डे, बट आई फील एनी वे आना पड़ेगा. सो yeah, that's the little update. My sister has actually not gave up and she's yet talking inside. Me being the younger one, I'm so much relied on her that I'm literally talking to the camera instead of going and talking for the actual work to be got done. Also क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे वेट कर ही रही हूँ थोड़ी टाइम के लिए, so I just thought upon telling you guys about the giveaway. मेरे को इतने सारे एंट्रीज आए हैं, what do I tell you? It's just really so difficult even for the person whom I have assigned to do the thing कि इतने सारे एंट्रीज आए हैं for the same book and then it's really a chaotic thing to be managed and आपको भी आपके books will be shipped via the post only. So yeah. But yeah, it just feels so like overwhelming and a different kind of a feeling to leave your city, to leave your people, to you know actually not be at your home and make your home at a different place in a different city for your college, like leave your comfort place, leave your comfort people and just start from scratch. It's just such an overwhelming feeling and sometimes I just feel super anxious that how will I be able to you know actually process all of these things, and I even tear up at times because of the reason that yeah, it's kind of a feeling that I'm getting after so many years. Like I went to hostel back when I was super chotu and now I'm going again and it's again taking me the same amount of courage to you know actually process things. Enough of blabbering for right now. I think I should just go inside and see what's happening. Bye. Not bye actually, I'll take you along. But all these government related things ना सारे के सारे सरकारी काम काफ़ी ज़्यादा lengthy होते हैं. Like they take everything from you, like they literally drain you throughout the process.
Years later.
Okay, hi guys, so I'm back home. Actually I was back home at 6 PM. Yes, I just got back and I just had such a ajeeb sa headache. I don't know that was happening, so I just tried sleeping for a while. I couldn't sleep as well. Then I woke up at around like 7:30, after which I was just doing some random stuffs and मैंने जो सुबह बताया था that I have to make this memory box thing, वो हो ही नहीं पा रहा है right now. I just had to gather myself up so much to just sit and do that because I really don't want to miss upon that. So that is what we are gonna be doing right now. I've got all the stuffs. वो तो मैं कितने पहले से लेकर के रखी हूँ. Like I have the chart paper, I have some really cute stickers and decorative items. Like just have a look at these things. So basically I just got these decorative stickers that I used for you know projects and stuff. So I got these really cute ones and I really didn't want to miss upon this thing because later on I would just regret so much. So I finally just gathered myself up. Even though I have a headache, I'm like okay, we are gonna be curing it by vibing to some music in the background and doing some creative stuff that I really like doing. That's exactly what I am gonna be doing right now. Okay, so it's right now 9:22 that we are sitting. I also have to film a shots side by side because obviously also it just keeps on hitting me that once the clock strikes 12 I'll just have one day left here. Like how is it happening? I just want to keep tomorrow very slow, steady and you know indulging in the whole day what's all happening. I just want to gather everything, collect everything, store it in my heart as much as possible and then leave. So maybe or maybe not I'll be vlogging tomorrow, but definitely I'll be making a shots out. And also I just have so many fun footages from the past days. I feel I'll just be integrating them after this day like comes to an end. It'll be so much fun for you to watch. So yeah, that's the thing right now. Let's just sit down to make this memory box. I am really wanting to see how does it turn out because मैंने Pinterest पे कुछ inspiration वगैरह भी देख के रखे हैं. I'm envisioning something that's very pretty. So let's just see how does that turn out to be.
One eternity later.
Reality, you know.
Hello guys, this is me Sonali Shrivastava. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Soumya. This is I don't care about whose name starts. Someone whose name starts with D or. Hello guys.
Say hi vlog.
Hi vlog. पता मैं सुंदर हूँ बार बार फिर से सुन से. So this song for Dhani and she is going to college. Banno मेरी चली college को आँखियों में water दे गई दुआ बिच धन्नो मेरी चली college को आँखियों में water दे गई दुआ बिच. I don't remember the lyrics, guys. Finally, after the result, के बाद as you can see,
Finally, after ages.
Started with the chutneys. Vada pav started with chutneys.
Flooded with what?
Started with instead. And that was so awkward.
Everybody eats, then the cameraman eats. क्या किसी को मुझसे फर्क पड़ता है? नहीं.
दे रहा है भाई सबको दे रहा है. ये मेरा है.
Actually, the problem is she's moving out at night, and we don't care. Actually, we don't care.
That she's moving
That's not
out.
the problem. That's a win-win situation. We were definitely waiting.
And you will get rid of her.
We all have that person in our life that creates a lot of problems,
Yeah.
and
she's
kind of burden.
Promoting
this very free of cost. Carry on, guys. I don't care.
Don't forget us, okay? Okay. झुक के रहना पड़ेगा, झुक के. I really used to pray to God.
on camera.
Please. I am just gonna say something about Dhani, and she's my little precious girl to me.
Oh my God.
So I never told her, but always been so great since I know her. She's starting her life with such a great, inspiration and everything, and I'm so proud of her. Also, she's going to college, and I'm very excited for her. I want to give her all the blessings. Want her to achieve everything in her life. And this short note to her that Dhani, go to your college, enjoy it to the fullest, and I know you will do great. Best of luck and lots of love. Bye.
फ्रेंड धानी, वेलकम टू डी ब्लॉग्स। धानी मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, शी इज़ रियली वेरी इंस्पायरिंग। टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं खुद इससे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हूँ क्योंकि अपनी स्टडीज़ के साथ साथ इतना अच्छा सब कुछ मैनेज करने
पैसे नहीं दिए बोलने के।
ऑनेस्टली आई लव हर, शी इज़ लाइक बिगेस्ट इंस्पिरेशन फॉर मी। मैंने इस उम्र में इतनी तरक्की नहीं देखी। गॉड ब्लेस यू, टच मी। और वो नज़र वाली मुझे कैसे लगाते हैं।
I mean, you're for the last time here.
Actually, this is my real face. Okay, that day, whatever you saw was not real me. This is real me, actually. Look. That day I was wearing a mask so that people around me are confident enough. You know, they don't like seeing me like this. That's why.